Hi, tech enthusiasts and content creators. Welcome to Techtok, your window into the latest technology trends. Today, we're diving into the art of making technology videos that not only inform but also captivate your audience on YouTube. We'll cover what makes tech videos stand out, how to research for your content, and the keys to engaging your viewers.
With over 2 billion monthly active users, including over 75% of Americans aged 15 and older, YouTube is the second most popular website behind Google.
So if you have a passion to do it at all, yes, it is competitive, but if you do some best practices, I really believe you can crush it.
Understanding the tech audience.
The tech audience on YouTube is diverse, curious, and always seeking the latest information. They value in-depth analysis, clear explanations, and hands-on demonstrations.
Technical audiences can be challenging to engage and nurture with content marketing. They are often skeptical, critical, and demanding of quality and consistency. But they are also valuable, loyal, and influential if you can earn their trust and authority. Key elements of successful tech videos.
Content quality. High-quality visuals and sound are non-negotiable in tech videos. Crisp footage, clear audio, and good lighting make a huge difference. Engaging presentation. Your presentation style should be engaging and informative. Keep your language clear and jargon to a minimum unless you're targeting a highly technical audience.
Researching for tech videos.
Research techniques. Staying updated is key in tech. Follow leading tech blogs, forums, and news sites. Attend tech events if possible, and keep an eye on emerging trends and products. Importance of accuracy. Always double-check your facts. Accuracy is crucial to build credibility in the tech community.
Creating engaging content.
Content ideas. Tech tutorials, product reviews, and comparison videos are highly popular. You can also cover tech news, unboxings, and deep dives into specific technologies. Engagement tips. Use graphics and animations to explain complex concepts. Hands-on demonstrations and real-world examples keep the content relatable and interesting.
Optimizing for YouTube.
SEO and keywords. Optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags with relevant keywords. How-to, reviews, and unboxings are common search terms in tech. Thumbnails and titles. Eye-catching thumbnails and compelling titles can dramatically increase your click-through rates. They should be clear, relevant, and tease the content of your video. Remember, successful tech videos are well-researched, visually appealing, and deliver value to your audience. Thanks for tuning in. Stay curious and keep innovating. If this guide was helpful, hit like, share it with fellow creators, and subscribe for more insights into content creation. Don't forget to follow us for behind-the-scenes content and updates. Stay authentic and passionate about technology. See you in the next video.